Yeah, it's not as full as it was at first, huh?
Yeah, the first time we went here, it wasn't as full.
Right. Come on, Leo, so we can keep going on our walk.
You see any turtles?
I don't know. Do you see any turtles this time?
We're meeting. Got your tennis shoes on?
I got my tennis shoes on this day.
Perfect, because we can go hiking a long time.
Yep.
Don't bother
You
it.
jumping?
Don't bother it, mommy.
All right, come on. We're going up the hill so we can see what's up here.
Yeah.
I don't know. What do you think is up here?
I have no idea.
The yellow butterfly. Whoa, you see it?
Yeah.